Well, another day, and we are in the city-state of San Marino. It's a small little country smack dab in the middle of Italy, and it is gorgeous. San Marino is an independent state located inside the country of Italy. It's a small country. It's only 61 square kilometers. That's about 23 miles. And the only other independent state in Italy is the Vatican. The city itself is located on Mount Titano, and because it is sitting on a mountain, it is a lot of climbing up and down steep streets and stairs. We had to take this set of stairs just to get up from the parking lot where they parked the bus. This little square is called the Small Square on the Mountain. Very appropriate. The country derives its name from Saint Marinus, who was a stonemason from Croatia. Images of him are all over the city. He's always shown with a hammer and a chisel in his hand. This is the Basilica of San Marino. It was built in 1836. On the same site as the original cathedral that was built in the 7th century, but was demolished because of its poor condition. An interesting story about this cathedral, that person in the center is San Marino, and he has a tablet in his hand and a hammer, and apparently when a pope visited here, he asked, "Who is that?" And I think is kind of upset that Christ wasn't the center of it, of the cathedral. And so right above him there is a cross with Christ hanging on the cross, suspended from the ceiling. That was put up a couple of days after the Pope's visit. This is the public palace. It is the town hall of the city of San Marino, as well as its official government building. State ceremonies take place here, as well as administrative bodies function out of here as well. As I mentioned earlier, San Marino is built on Mount Titano, and on the summit are 3 towers. The first tower is the oldest of the 3 towers and the most famous. It was constructed in the 11th century and served briefly as a prison. It has been rebuilt numerous times and reached its current form in the 1500s. The second tower is known as the Siesta, is located on the highest of Mount Titano's summits. It's a museum to honor the Saint Marinus. It was created in 1956, and it's located in this tower and showcases over 1,500 weapons dating from the medieval era to modern day. And it was constructed in the 13th century. We made it to the highest tower, which was quite a climb. But once you got up there, it was some beautiful views of the valley below. Here's Laura making her way down through, it was really a ladder for about 10 feet and then some very steep stairs. It was a good adventure. As you can see from these photos, the scenery of the castles and towers themselves, plus the surrounding area, is breathtaking. This is the third tower. It's the smallest of the three, and the public is not allowed to go in it, so we didn't walk over. The city itself is fascinating to walk through. The majority of the buildings are centuries old, and it's just fun to look down the little alleyways and narrow streets and kind of get the flavor for San Marino. There's also a lot of artwork that is scattered around the city. This statue is dedicated to the 20 women and children that were killed when Allied bombers accidentally dropped some bombs on San Marino during World War II. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.